In our community, I am the Idiga community, Swamiji. See, the Madhu Bangarappa is not used for the community. So immediate change also Madhu Bangarappa in make that Belur Gopalakrishna Sagara constituency MLA, the Belur capable the person is our community, because the last 7 days he was discussing that community issue in the Vidhana Sabha. So we will, so I will assure the community, because Belur Kabasha become the minister, maybe we can something get for the community, for the Idiga community for. That's why always the Mukhyamantri Siddaramaiah ji, every time he chief minister, where you get the, he's got the chance, that target for the Idiga community. Idiga community leaders, because 30-40 lakhs people in the Karnataka. Our Kula Kasabu, saying means tidy also banned the last 24 years. Now we meet in some principal secretaries, because we demand for the government. You have to start for the tidy also. So demand only Belur Gopalakrishna become the minister. Our community demand Brahmashi Narayana Guru Shaktipita, and D.K. Shivakumar ji also dedicate to the party. Sometime you didn't make the D.K. Shivakumar the Karnataka chief minister. Congress maybe face many problems, the Karnataka, politically many issues, the Karnataka. That's my statement.
This demand, High Command or state?
High Command and the state. And maybe today or tomorrow, we are 15th Swamiji is going to meet in Kerala. ACC General Secretary Venugopal is there, because the going on the election. Maybe tomorrow, Kochi, we are meet the ACC General Secretary, we are discussing that. And maybe some protest also in the Delhi, we will plan. It's not a decision.